Alright guys, welcome back to another video with Tasty_Chewy, where we're always upgrading the lifestyle and living it fresh. This is part 3 Nissan 300ZX wrap. So today what we're going to be wrapping is the top. So this is what we're going to be going over today. The first video we made, we put the vinyl on top already on the front end, but we kind of messed up a little bit. So we might redo this, but not until the end, until we're for sure that we have extra vinyl. And then we're going to do this side right here. You see how bad this looks? So hopefully it looks better by the end of this video.
But they ain't not under me. The fumes on your sweater smell is so lovely. And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe it.
So far we've done all the sides right now. Both sides, this side and that side. So this is how it looks before. This is like a very bad paint right now. So we're just gonna lay this vinyl on top of it and you're gonna see the difference. So bam. That's how it looks after. Woo. That is clean. So far what we have done is the top half of this car. So you guys could probably see the difference already. But look, there's the black hood. And then we did the sides today. You can't really see on this side. Let me go to this side so you guys could see it. Right here. So bam. We did the black right here. Black right here. Black right here, black right here, so now it doesn't look all bad how it used to. So I want to take some rolling shots with it, so that's how we're going to end the vlog today, with some rolling shots. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for the part 4. See you guys till next time.